So we have this model. This one is one in our showroom. So this one with 1,500. This one is 3,000, but with a 1,500 laser source, maybe max laser source, it would be about 12,300 or so. I'll need to double check. So this one is a bit on the higher side. It's a bit expensive, but I have another model that we can offer at about 9,300. So I'll send you both so that you can have a look which one you like most. Let me show you the whole machine. So here you have where we usually have the laser source and everything. So this is the laser source, max laser source. So it's inside here. So this is the control panel.